Hello, everybody. This is Mandarin Chinese Easy, and today I'm going to teach you how to speak Chinese in the very easiest and fastest way. Today we're going to learn how to say "get up" in Chinese. Now here we go. Time to get up, Bob. 该起床了，波波。该起床了，波波。I want to sleep more. 我想再多睡一会儿。我想再多睡一会儿。It's already 7. Hurry up, or you'll be late. 已经7点了，快点，要不然你会迟到的。已经 already 已经7点了，快点。Hurry up，要不然你会迟到的。迟到 late。Okay, I'm getting up. 好了，我起床了。Morning, Dad. 早上好，爸爸。Morning, Bob. Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now, let's make some more practice, and you're going to practice by yourself later. Now, here we go.
该起床了，波波。
我想再多睡一会儿。
已经7点了，快点，要不然你会迟到的。
好了，我起床了。
早上好，爸爸。
早上好，波波。Okay, everybody, this is today's lesson. Now follow me. I will teach you how to speak Chinese in the easiest and fastest way. You'll find learning Chinese is really funny and super easy. Now, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.